Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein dinner recipe. It's easy to make, super healthy and ideal to include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup of poha. This is a local variety of poha which is made from Kerala red rice. You can use any variety of poha which you have at hand. If you are using white poha, you may not need to soak the poha as much as you will need to soak this poha. This is a slightly thick poha which is made from red rice. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm washing and rinsing it a couple of times. And once rinsed, add in some more water and let it soak for about 1 minute. After exactly 1 minute, I transferred the poha onto a strainer and I'm going to allow it to sit like this till I get the other ingredients ready. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon A2 Desi ghee. Instead of A2 Desi ghee, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutter, I'm adding in finely chopped ginger. This is 1/4 inch of ginger finely chopped. Into this I'm adding in 1 cup of green peas, 1 green chilli finely chopped, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, a big fat pinch of asafoetida powder. I'm using my homemade asafoetida powder. I have already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. Give this a good mix. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in about 1/8 cup of water. Cover and allow the green peas to get cooked. Meanwhile, the poha is perfectly soaked. You can see that it is non-sticky and it is ready to use. 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir. Cover and let it cook for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid. Okay, now the green peas is nicely cooked. It took a total of 5 minutes for the green peas to get cooked nicely. Add in half teaspoon garam masala. Add in the soaked poha. And give it a good mix. I'm adding in a little bit of extra pink Himalayan salt. Give it a good mix. Cover for about 30 to 40 seconds. After about 40 seconds, open the lid. Give it a good stir. Turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. And my high protein poha recipe is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.